what we're looking at right here is a detention basin that was built in 1933 by the Citizens Conservation Corps. This particular location, as I said, has been here since 1934, and after the Waldo Canyon fire and the flooding that came afterwards, we identified that this was a location where we would be able to trap some debris and hold back some of the initial flow on some of the major flooding events. We ended up excavating out of this structure 3,200 cubic yards of decomposed granite sediment, and we anticipate by doing that we've gained approximately 3 acre-feet of storage. The entire area of this pond is about 1.1 acres, so having removed 3 to 5 feet of sediment gives us that extra capacity in acre-feet. We're working with the Colorado Department of Transportation on flood mitigation efforts throughout the entire canyon. As a result of that cooperation, we've identified 4 similar structures that exist in the main stem of Fountain Creek between this location and the Waldo Canyon discharge point, which is about a half a mile up US 24. We will continue to work with CDOT to determine what we can do together to, one, identify what these structures are intended for and get them back into operation. That may require a little bit more sediment removal. The good news is we recently found the engineering plans for these structures out of the State Archaeologist Office in Pueblo. So we're going to evaluate those original plans and try to take this back down to its original design and grade.